Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chupu Dada.
Babu.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday
to you. Yay!
Yay!
Hey Ronnie, a very happy birthday. Hopefully घर में मस्त अच्छा खाना वाना बना आज and you guys are having a blast. All praises to Goldie. She was indomitable in her pursuit to get this video. And as usual, I am late, I guess, but better late than never. And okay, as promised, one quick anecdote. So अभी and I hope this comes out funny. I'm sorry. I'm just going to record this and send it off to you. If it doesn't come out well, don't blame me. Okay, so we went to Nepal recently, right? One of the things Ronnie and I observed is that people are the general awareness about their surroundings was rather low. So, for example, if you go to a city and you say, ask somebody, India Gate kab tak khula hai? They have an idea. Somebody is staying nearby. But in Nepal, when we used to ask, अरे मंदिर खुला है, कोई बोला बंद हो गया, कोई बोला अरे नहीं आज तो नहीं खुलेगा. And when we went there, it was all functioning and everything. So all the information that the locals would give was usually incorrect. So what happens is, so we both noticed that you cannot depend on the locals for any good information. Okay. So सब समय सब कोई गलत सलत कुछ पकड़ा जो मन में आ रहा है सब आंसर दे रहा है. So anyway, so that happens and we found it pretty funny and we then come back to Delhi. तो दिल्ली में हम लोग लंच करने गए मेरे भाई के घर पे. तो वहाँ पे जो कुक था वो नेपाली था. तो हम लोग बाद में तो पूछने लगे आप अभी हम लोग नेपाल से ही आए आप कहाँ से हो. And so he tells us that he is from a particular place, which we, given our rather recent understanding of Nepal, we know it's about it's about 7-8 hours away from Kathmandu. It's very far away. तो हम लोग बोले अरे ये तो काठमांडू से बहुत दूर है. तो मतलब होता है नहीं सर ये तो है ना. इन द यूजुअल लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस ऑफ दैट set of people. He says, नहीं ये तो काठमांडू से बस 1 घंटा दूरी है. So I started smiling because I realized he is clueless. And then Ronnie, he forgets that this guy understands Hindi, okay? So जोर से he says, इस बंदे को कुछ नहीं पता है. And then he's looking at me, he's telling me, and that guy understands whatever he's saying. And I burst out laughing. And that guy is just, क्या हुआ? What just happened? Anyway, I hope this is funny. I don't know how it will turn out. Anyway, I think it's too long a video by now. Okay, chalo. Happy good celebration, guys. And yeah, chat with you later.
हाँ भाई रॉनी, बहुत हैप्पी बर्थडे रहेगा. तेरे साथ तो इतना सारा मेमोरी है यहाँ पे कि मतलब पता नहीं कौन सा बोले कौन सा छोड़े. बट एनीवेज मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग जो याद पड़ रहा है हमको लग रहा है वो मियामी वाला ट्रिप था जो हम लोग का, तेरा मेरा हल्दर का. कैंसिल होते होते हो गया था वो, लेकिन हो गया तो हो ही गया, जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा. और उस ट्रिप में सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ जो हमको याद पड़ रहा है तू और हल्दर कहीं गैस स्टेशन पे रुक करके चला गया था अंदर रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह यूज करने के लिए, और हम क्या कहते हैं गैस भर दिए थे, और फिर क्या कहते हैं तू निकला तो हम बोल दिए कि डीजल भर दिए हैं, डीजल वाला ही गाड़ी है ना। तू माथा पे बैठ गया और उसके बाद फिर तेरे को बता दिए, हम हमसे रहा नहीं गया, इतना टेंशन में आ गया था तो तेरे को बता दिए इमीडिएटली कि मतलब पेट्रोल नहीं भरे। उसके बाद हल्दर आया तो उसको 2-3 मिनट तक हम लोग नहीं बताए थे। बाप रे बाप, एपिक था वो। एनीवेज, मेमोरी बहुत बना है, आगे भी बनते रहेगा बहुत, मतलब चल एंजॉय कर। हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन, बाय।
Happy birthday, Ronnie. Hopefully you are enjoying your birthday. शादी के बाद पहला बर्थडे है, सो काफ़ी एंजॉय कर। और पैंडेमिक के बीच में तो ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकता, सो स्टे सेफ, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के बीच में जितना एंजॉय कर सकता है कर। हम लोग सबको यहाँ ठीक है, वही पैंडेमिक में घर में पूरा बंद बैठे हुए हैं, बट मैं वही इधर वही सोचता रहता हूँ कि मैं तेरे साथ कितना सारा ट्रिप किए थे, फ्लोरिडा, मेन, कैटस्किल माउंटेन, और फ्लोरिडा में वो गौतमिया का याद है हम लोग के साथ ट्रिप किया था, जो वो गाड़ी में पेट्रोल के जगह डीजल डाल दिया था और हम लोग 2 घंटा बैठे हुए थे। सो काफ़ी एंजॉय किए थे। तो पैंडेमिक के बीच में वही सब सोचते रहते हैं कि कितना अच्छा हम लोग ट्रिप किए थे। सो वही, और एक और वो हम लोग वो भी किए थे, रॉकेट लेक, वो सिरेक्यूज वाला जो रिमोट कैंपिंग जहाँ पे बाथरूम में सांप मिला था। एनीवेज, बस यही सब ट्रिप सोच के ये कहते हैं कि हम लोग पैंडेमिक के पहले काफ़ी एंजॉय किए थे। सो होपफुली जब पैंडेमिक ख़त्म होगा हम लोग फिर से ये ट्रिप सब रिपीट कर पाएंगे। अकेले नहीं, इस बार तो मैंने विद स्पाउसेस करना पड़ेगा। सो नथिंग बैड अबाउट इट, लेकिन देयर वुड बी अ चेंज, बट होपफुली आफ्टर पैंडेमिक एंड्स we can get together, celebrate, maybe a trip, yeah. So anyways, enjoy your birthday and we'll catch up soon.
क्या रोनी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। अभी हम लोग का ग्रुप साथ में होता, इमेजिन कर केजीपी में होते, तो तेरे विंग से स्टार्ट करते। मान ले हम लोग आ जाते सब लोग तेरे विंग के, मैं सब लोग वहाँ से हम लोग सबसे पहले जाते हम लोग छेदीस, सबसे पास में था तेरे हॉल से, स्टोन्स थ्रू बोल सकता है इंसान। वहाँ जाते हम लोग बैठ के आसपास, और उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ जो भी अपना घूमते, वहाँ से कहीं चिकन मोमो मंगवा लेते। विंकीज से सप्लाई आ जाता था उधर जो पीछे था। और उसके बाद हम लोग फिर वापस 2.2 का चक्कर लगाते। वापस आते टाइम 2.2 का फिर हम लोग रुक जाते एगीज पे। रात को एगीज हो जाता था ना, तो एगीज पे रुकते हम लोग, ज्ञान घोष की तरफ बैठ के थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे हम लोग ऐसे ही बकैती करते। फिर हम लोग वहाँ से वापस आते थे विंग, फिर वहाँ पे विंग में फिर माहौल स्टार्ट हो जाता था हम लोग का अपना पार्टी का। उसके बाद फिर अमेजिंग फन वाला फील मिस हो पाता है, बट बकाया रहेगा जब मिलते हैं हम लोग। अपना ग्रुप जो यहाँ वाला मिलता है, तो जैसे हम लोग ओशन सिटी मिले थे DC, या फिर 2-3 बार बॉस्टन जब मिले थे बिग टाइम, वैसा कुछ माहौल बनाया जाएगा और सब बकाया पूरा किया जाएगा। और सब लोग इस बार सब साथ में हाई होकर गाना गाएंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे दम, मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। बिग टाइम, ठीक है। तो प्लान बनाते हैं, बकाया रहेगा इस साल का हैप्पी बर्थडे का ट्रीट ऑफ फन। ऑल द बेस्ट, हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन, बाय।
Happy birthday, Ronnie. It's so nice that Goldie asked me to make this video. It was fun to reminisce of our times in Ithaca and in KGP. I don't know if you remember, but I owe you an apology because I kept throwing you off in those NCC drills, the dime mode, buy mode. I would always get confused, and poor you would be the one who would get caught. Sorry, Hindi is not my strong suit, so I still don't know which direction is dai and which direction is bai. I knew we would become good friends when I heard you say in your intro to seniors at KGP when we joined RP Hall that your hobby was military history of World War. I was not far behind. My interest was linguistics. So, the nerds that we are, we had to become good friends. I'm sending some pictures to Goldie of our fun times at JBNSTS and times in KGP. So just take a look at it and hopefully it'll bring back good memories. If it were not for you, I would not have actually applied at Cornell. I was considering applying or not, and you are the one who was like, just apply, whether you get in or not, at least you tried. And so glad that I did, otherwise I wouldn't be here. So thanks so much for convincing me to do that. You and Vikram were the most chill roommates I could have ever asked. My favorite moments of hanging out with you was all those philosophical discussions where I would invariably fall asleep on the couch. Not because I didn't find the discussions interesting, but the couch was so much more comfortable than my sleeping bags in my room. Too bad though, I couldn't join you and Vikram on your contemplative walks in the cemetery where you were pondering the meaning of life. I'm so glad that we've continued to remain friends and kept in touch, and now we're collaborators. So cheers to many more years of friendship. No.
Hi Ronnie, happy birthday. About the odd awkward moments in life, I still remember the wasabi one. If you haven't already told Goldie about this, you should mention. And then the shark penny for sure. And then that's about it. And we'll have a wonderful birthday and good luck. Bye.
Area man wishes Ranajay a very happy birthday.
Hello. Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video at. Now, I have never made any podcast before, so thought about making one today. Today I will talk about a person who I have known for decades. He's now a professor at the University of Central Florida in the field of multiphysics modeling and mechanics. Some people would get traumatic partial differential memories from their BTech days hearing these kind of scientific terms, so I will quickly move on. His name is Professor Ranajay Ghosh, an IIT KGP alumnus, and he also happens to be our batchmate. Oh, Professor, he must have been a Magoo. So yeah, coming back to the main topic. For the uninitiated, in our college days, Magoo used to be folks who would hide in their hostel room all around the year trying to cram semester materials to get high CGPA. The person we are talking about here was not a Magoo. You could find him even smoking bidi, just like Monkaida from our canteen. So, and here is one incident. There was a futuristic car design competition in our college. All the mechanical engineering toppers and Fodoos and Magoos would usually walk with an air of pride had to swallow theirs when it came to putting the learnings on the task. This one guy came, presented, took the first prize and went back to smoking bidi again. Once he smoked his computer, called me to fix it. He trusted me more than the computer repair shop guys down the road a few feet after Chili's. I felt good that day. Someone valued and trusted my computer repair skills. Hey, I thought you were going to talk about him, not yourself. Okay, one more thing. Ronnie has talked and written about scientific methods and rigor and how to put those in practice and replace Jugadu mentality. These are a must read for everyone. If you haven't had a chance yet, go through it. I have gone through the material and hope to subconsciously get reminded about it in my personal and professional life. So good stuff, dude. Keep it going.
Who's Ronnie now? You were talking about Professor Ranajay.
अरे Ronnie nickname है भाई.
Ah, I get it now.
One thing Ronnie's friends can vouch for and ask everyone is his superb one-liners. For example, उसका आइडिया ऐसे डूब गया जैसे पानी में ईंटा. Most recently he came up with this Bikram Betal thingy. And some folks know what I'm talking about. The thing about his delivery is that he will keep a straight face and look serious while delivering slapstick humor. And speaking about keeping a straight face, and now that I think about it, he always looks very serious and has this annoyed look on his face or a frustrated look on his face, जैसे कि हर चीज़ से चट गया हो. But out of nowhere, he can also burst into laughter or seem in a very joyful mood. Whenever he used to visit us, suitcase se he will flip out the best of whiskey, scotch and cigars when visiting friends. So he does come bearing gifts, you know what I'm talking about?
Who are you talking to? You're not live broadcasting, you know.
A podcast karne do yaar. He's also kind to folks. I'll give you one example. Once we had a get together at our ever gracious Mr. and Mrs. Mukhia's house, and I don't remember with who, but we had some lengthy discussion about quantum experiments and double slit experiments, and everybody was all going in geeky with whatever knowledge they had.
Hey, what do you know about quantum mechanics?
अब फालतू डिटेल्स का क्या करना है? But Ronnie would just keep listening and sipping his beer. In that discussion, someone had a bright idea where scientists might have gone wrong. He said two electrons must be colliding and scientists must have made some errors. So Ronnie at the end very gently said, scientists have tried sending one electron at a time with large time gaps. Still the interference pattern forms, so the electron is interfering with itself. This was his only input, and the discussion ended quickly and folks moved off to non-technical topics after that. The get-together was awesome though. Mast weather, nice patio, nice beer with Mukhiaji's family's hospitality. I'm sure Ronnie remembers those days too. I mean, I can go on and on, but we'll save stories for our next get-together whenever that happens.
Hey, why don't you invite Mr. and Mrs. Ghosh to your place?
Invite किए थे भाई. I have tried, but Ronnie ji always passes my house asymptotically. But we'll keep trying. So Goldie ji, thank you for your idea. Ronnie, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you are watching this on your birthday. Must enjoy karo. Have a great day, both of you. I will end this here and continue to review and work on my podcasting skills. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Lady Mama, day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Mamu. Happy birthday.
Hey Ronnie mate, how are you? Wishing you a lot of love and happiness on your special day. Since this is year 2020, celebrate your birthday like never before, because in this fucking year, every bit of positivity needs strong reinforcement. And since we are talking about year 2020, let's also play this game. Guess who am I? All I can say, I'm one of your biggest fan for your Nobel Prize trivia. Take care and enjoy your day.
Hey Ronnie, happy birthday. Dude, it's been so long since we hung out. You know, the last time we hung out in Boston, it's been over 5 years. And, you know, our crazy adventures in Boston and in Ocean City with the rest of the gang, right? I really miss our night-long Bhat sessions that we used to have over tons of chicken wings in Westland Avenue, right? And it's crazy, you know. Poonam and I, we keep talking about you all the time, and we discuss what you're up to. And there she is.
Hi Ronnie, happy birthday, and hi Goldie.
Hi Goldie. Yeah, dude, it's. I wanted to congratulate you first of all for the NSF Career Award. Congratulations on that. Congratulations on the DARPA grant as well. You know, what I really miss is chatting with you about all of this, about all the crazy science that you've been doing, you know. And yeah, man, after this pandemic is over, the four of us should really hang out and have a proper adda going on, you know. Get some good food, get some good alcohol, maybe do it in Florida. Again, which both of us are depending upon you. In fact, half the country depends on you to turn Florida blue. So with that thought in mind, I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of your day. All right, cheers.
বলো দেখো তো।
এদিকে এদিকে আলোর দিকে মুখটা করো। এবার দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
না, আলোর দিকে মুখ নয়, তোমার এবার পুরো ব্লাইন্ডেড একদম। তুমি পাপা যেখানে বসেছিল তুমি জাস্ট তার পাশে বসে থাকো, তোমাকে আলো ঠিক করতে হবে না।
মিটিং সার্চ করো।
এবার ঠিক আছে?
পাপা রাইট হ্যান্ড ছেড়ে দাও, রাইট হ্যান্ড
হাতটা পেছন দিকে দাও, মোবাইলটা পেছন থেকে ধরো।
পেছনে পেছনে আলো আছে, আলোর অপোজিটে বসতে হয়।
আমাদের ম্যাপে আনমিউট করা আছে।
বলছে আলোর কথা কি বলছে? মুখটা
ভীষণ আলো, তুমি অপোজিটে, তুমি ঘুরে যাও। পেছনে বড্ড আলো, পেছনে বড্ড আলো।
আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, ব্যাস ব্যাস, একদম পারফেক্ট।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ,
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু চুম্পু।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে
হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে। হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
গান গাইতে হবে না, শোনো না, গান গাইতে হবে না, জাস্ট জোরে চেঁচাও হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে। হ্যাপি বার্থডে
টু ইউ।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু রণজয়।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
গান গাইতে হবে না, জোরে একবার সবাই একসাথে। আম্মা গান গাইতে হবে না, জাস্ট বলো হ্যাপি বার্থডে, এটুকু সবাই একসাথে।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু রণজয়। হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু রণজয়। হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু রণজয়।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ।
কিছু জানি না।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু বাবু বারালা।
happy birthday for the zillionth time today. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I know I'm just sitting right beside you and I can see you all smiling. It has been really amazing to get in touch with all your friends and also our parents and some of the relatives for this video. I know I have been like constant nagging to many of you for the videos, and you have been doing an amazing job to send it across in such a short timeline and being so responsive on the group with all the doubts I had, with all the faces I couldn't recognize, and neither I could ask him because he would get some hints. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed too, right? I can't wait to meet everyone. Hope this pandemic ends soon and we get to plan a trip soon. Till then, stay safe, enjoy, and we'll be in touch.